So everybody, here's an update on the Ford issue from last night. Currently having an issue, just stopped to get gas. And then now when I go to turn the key on, all I get is this, a little bit of a clicking noise. And if you look up there, the anti-theft thing's flashing rapidly. Been messing with it most of the day. After checking all the fuses, all the connectors to the anti-theft system, decided to take the battery out because it's getting low. Took it out, was going to charge it before it got dark, but I didn't have time to. So I just put it back in for the night and attempted to start it again. And check this out. So if you're having any issues, ignore that brake light. If you're having any issues with the anti-theft system flashing rapidly like that and not wanting to start, I'd suggest taking the battery out and letting it sit for maybe an hour, then plug it back in and you might get it to start.